everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Look y'all, I'm just here, I'm checking in today. I really just want to take you guys along with me. So it's a very rainy day in Atlanta. I don't know if you guys can see the rain, hear the rain, whatever the case is, it is pouring. So I've just been sitting in this spot at the moment, just been sitting here just trying to gather my thoughts. But today is a special day for multiple reasons. This is a special day. This is my, for one, this is my Sunday reset. This is the day that I take to gather my thoughts for the week. Anything that I need to, any errands I need to run, I'm running them on a Sunday. I'll map out my day, plan my day, and I'm talking about an hour. Like if it doesn't get written down, it's not gonna happen, okay? So I'm very intentional with planning out what I have going on. I'm very grateful that, you know, this is Labor Day weekend, so I get tomorrow off to really just focus on just myself and my week and my business and oh wait, let me backtrack. So y'all, I started a nutrition business, yes, through Herbalife. If you don't already know, Herbalife is the #1 nutrition company in the world. Google it. You should know that your overall health consists of 80% nutrition and 20% fitness. So when I have clients or potential clients where they say, hey, I don't really work out like that, girl, with this business opportunity, pretty much y'all, I'm able to coach, I'm able to get people on the right nutritional guide based on their goals. So whether that's to lose weight, to maintain their overall nutrition, to, you know, just maintain their current weight, or people that's looking to gain muscle, gain lean muscle. For me, my goal has shifted. Comment down below if you would want a separate video with my weight loss journey, because y'all, it's crazy, y'all see my little shorts when I be lifting, I be in the gym. Yes, I do go to the gym, but it took a while to get to this place, and I honestly can say it has been, I would never trade this journey in for anything in the world. My journey is going to at some point inspire somebody if it hasn't already happened. I'm also excited because tomorrow starts our 21-day transformation challenge, y'all. So I've been enrolling my clients into the 21-day challenge. It's just a great community, great vibe, very, very supportive, and that's just the main thing. I know for people losing weight, it's hard to be in an environment where people are not supportive, meaning you have a trainer but you don't feel like you're getting results, or you have a husband or kids that are not on the same nutritional plan that you are in, or even care that you're on this nutritional journey. So it's a lot of mental and a lot of discipline, and that's what I really want people to do. And I really want people to feel good about it, you know, feel good about your transformation, feel good about how you look and where you're about to be at the end of this challenge, okay? First step is saying yes. The first step is really just saying, okay, I'm gonna take the steps to eat better. I'm gonna take the steps to taking my health more seriously. Don't wait till it gets to the end of the road for you to care about your health. And that's just something that I push. I was already pushing this before the Herbalife opportunity, so this just makes it 10 times better that now I can say that I am taking on this entrepreneurial journey, and I'm just so excited. So I just really wanted to update y'all on that. So even though I'm coaching, I'm also a part of this 21-day challenge. I'm about to drop some pics. So the last challenge that I was in, I actually wasn't a part of the Herbalife business at that time, but I still stuck to the structure, and the structure worked. So I'm like, hey, let's just wrap it in, you know, making this a whole thing. We need to take the necessary steps to start making this a business, okay? Because it was just the next logical step. I was already doing the plan. I was, you know, every day wasn't perfect, but I definitely took time to focus on my health and focus on just being consistent. Between consistency and community, you can do anything. So for today, I've already been kind of running around doing errands. Goal for today is to actually go grocery shopping. So my goal is to go to the Kroger, get everything I need, and I'm gonna take you guys with me, but I'm also going to bring you guys back to the house, and I'm gonna meal prep everything for the week. So I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I've struggled with meal prepping. Meal prepping is one of the hardest things when it comes to my journey. Just not being consistent. If I don't have food for that day, I'll just go ahead and Uber eat, and I really just want to be better with planning out my week, and this is just a part of it. If I'm planning out the smallest things, like at 10 a.m. I'm gonna run to Target. then I need to be consistent with my meal as well. I mean, my meal plans as well. I can't take a day off and say, well, I don't know. And I know we tend to slip up, but I really want to be there. I really want to set the example for my clients. I can't tell my clients to do something and I'm not doing it. Most of you are probably here for cruising and travel, but look, this is my daily life. This is what I do in my daily life. I work out 4 times a week. I go to workout classes. I take my health very seriously. I can't even stomach fast food, y'all, anymore. It's really crazy. It's really ridiculous, but I'm so grateful for my journey. And like I said, comment below if you do want a separate weight loss video, because over time I have went from just being a very unhealthy in all aspects, mentally, physically, all of that. Spiritually, I was very thirsty spiritually, and now I'm actually taking on this journey with God as well. So all of that wrapped into everything. This is why this opportunity, this is why me impacting people, gaining these clients, helping them on their journey, giving them the first steps to their why, and giving them the first steps to a healthier journey or a healthier version of themselves. And I just love that. I decided to say yes to myself, yes to my business, and just yes to everything that this community has to offer. So I want to recreate, if you guys are aware of Kava, I love their rice and grain bowl, and I want to create a Kava inspired rice bowl for my meal prep this week. And for those of you who don't eat Kava, think of it like a Chipotle bowl. Chipotle does the same thing in the sense of they cook everything separately and then they kind of make their bowl as we come in as customers. So that's what I'm going to do, y'all. I haven't cooked in a while, so I'm just over here like, oh my God, like, I gotta cook, do it. And I think the motivation that I'm getting from just my clients that are excited about this challenge and do want more for themselves, it just makes me want to do better. I've never liked hypocritical people. You tell me what to do, but you're 1,000 pounds and you want to tell me how to lose weight. It just don't work like that. So I've been very consistent. Even before, like I said, before the business opportunity, I always posted my workout videos. I reposted when things weren't good. I've been very transparent with my workout journey and how hard it's been. I don't come up and say, well, all you gotta do is get in the gym and you'll lose. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not here for that. So I really just want people to get their mental together. And part of the 21-day challenge definitely consists of your mental, guys. You know, we wake up every day and we do 30 minutes of personal development, listen to something inspiring. And I just love that about not only this organization, but just the community that I have built through Herbalife and just through working out, and people that are also have a love for working out. I just love it, like, not to get emotional, but I just feel like it's a new beginning, and that's why I started the video by saying I'm very excited. This week is a very good week. I can feel it, you know, I can really feel it. So let's go. Okay, so we made it to the Kroger. I'm going in here like a mess. I got a call in about 30 minutes, but I'm gonna try to get as much footage of the stuff that I'm putting into my carts. I'm gonna try and get in and out. You know, you always have that in your mind when you go grocery shopping, like, I'm gonna go in, get what I need, get on my list, and then go. We'll see. Let's go. Pouring in my video cut off, but I did all my grocery shop, and of course it's gonna be over 100. You know, when you go there saying, oh, I'm gonna spend no, it's for my meal prepping, so I'm very excited to do that. I'm about to go home. I actually found a gadget that actually cooks the rice at the bottom, and cooks, it has like a pretty much like a pan, so I'm gonna use that as a saute pan for my peppers and stuff like that. But yeah, it does like 2-in-1, so I think I'm gonna use that just to make my meal, because I do struggle with cooking rice, I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna see. I love Kava. Like, Kava, if Kava got shares, I'm about to buy them, because you want to know, their stuff is so good and it just feels so light. And
right, y'all, so I've been away for a minute, but got my rice over here cooking. Y'all, I found this at Kroger for $13. It was originally $30, y'all. What? Let me show y'all the box. You can even make your chicken and broccoli and vegetables and all that in your rice at the same time. Like, where they do that at? So, all right, so I do got some feta. I like to put that in my bowl. Also, golly. Tzatziki is like a Greek yogurt. They use this also at Kava, and I love this. I feel like this and the hummus is what makes my bowl like really, really good. So yeah, so I got my rice over here cooking. Coach, I need you, coach. Got my stuff. Y'all, I don't really know how to cut peppers correctly. I'm still learning, so they all over the place, but they about to go on top of this little steamer thing. I'm also making some ground turkey, so I have all of this going on. So I think between that and that and that and my dips. All right, y'all, I've been away. I got Saudi over here on Instagram Live telling me how to make money on Instagram. Hey, girl. All right, guys. But y'all, so I got all this stuff, the hummus, the tzatziki. Get some of that turkey at the bottom. There you go.
Brown rice. Get a little bit of everything. Scoop it up.